Hello, everyone. Today we will be completing Lesson 7 in Booklet 7. This one is called Classifying Triangles by Side Length. This will be a shorter lesson than the last one, which will be nice, and I don't think this one will be nearly as difficult as well. Now, in this lesson, we learn that there are three different kinds of triangles, and what changes between these triangles is how many of their sides are the exact same length. Now, you need to remember what they're called, or at the very least, you need to remember where it is in your note so you can come back to it during the test. We have an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle occurs when all three sides have the same length. Remember that in the diagram, you can tell when multiple sides have the same length when they share the same number of ticks. Each of these sides has one tick, so they're all the same length as each other. An isosceles triangle is a triangle where not three, but only two of your sides are the same length. They can be any two, not necessarily the left and right sides like on this triangle, but either way, when two sides are the same length, we call that an isosceles triangle. Now, if I really wanted to, I can express that this third side is a different length by drawing two ticks on it, saying, hey, this is different from the other sides with one tick. The last triangle that we need to know is called a scalene triangle. And logically enough, a scalene triangle is when none of the sides are the same length. You can see here in the diagram that one of my sides has one tick, one has two, and one has three, but no two sides have the same number of ticks, meaning they are all different. So, for scalene, we are going to write no sides of the same length. So, I have a couple examples below that we're quickly going to go through, and we're just going to measure, or label rather, which kind of triangles we have. In this first example, we have one triangle that is one side, sorry, that is 3 inches, one side that is 5 inches, that's different than 3, and one that is 7. So all three are different side lengths, therefore this is scalene. This next triangle, we have two side lengths that are 7 inches. I'm going to put one tick on each. And the third one is different. That is 8 inches, not 7. So this is, I need to make sure to spell it right, isosceles. This third triangle, all three of the side lengths are 4 feet. They're all the same. So this is an equilateral. Did I spell that one right? I did not spell that one right. Let me fix that. Equilateral. And this last triangle, I have two side lengths of 4 and one side length of 1. Since only two of the side lengths are the same, this is an isosceles like example 2. Okay, so it doesn't matter the way that the triangle is rotated. What matters is how many side lengths are the same length. And that's about it. Like I said, it's a short lesson, so take some time to complete the worksheet and make sure that you know how to label each of the triangles. Thank you.